Hi, I'm John, and I like to relax.
He really does. And I'm Tammy, and I like to explore.
She really does.
And I'm Austin, and I like to repeat.
He really does.
And together we are Relax, Explore, Repeat. Hi guys, we're at the Thousand Trails Orlando in Claremont, Florida. We just got in, set up, had lunch. We're under the palm trees by the swimming pool, 70 something degrees and nice. There's another pool behind me with some more palm trees. And palm. There's palm. Oh, it's psalm trees. Yeah, psalm trees. And we rode our bikes up here. We're gonna walk around and check things out if we see something interesting. See the miniature golf course. There's horseshoes, shuffleboard. Yeah, we're gonna go look around and check things out and let you know what we think about it. They have a lift here if you need assistance getting into the water. Looks like they got a hot tub. Got a noisy bird over there. I don't know what this is. It doesn't look hot. It's like a kiddie pool to me. There's the horseshoe pits and a little pond beyond. And then more horseshoe pits, and beyond that is the mini golf, and then 2 sets of shuffleboard, and I don't know if those are tennis courts. I think they're tennis, and then there might be a pickleball on the other side over there as well. A squirrel. Lots of amenities. I saw on the map that the the recreation center has a gift shop and restaurant and lounge. We have not seen that yet, but curious to check it out, and we'll let you know. Okay, so we have 6 pickleball courts here and 4 more over here, and there's a basketball goal over there. I see at least 13 holes of miniature golf. I'm sure, I don't know how many there are total, maybe just 18. This place is huge. If you I'll try to get some drone video of the enormity of this place, but they did have a store inside. I didn't see a lounge. They have Wi-Fi in the rec center, and playground's closed. I guess the ultraviolet light here in Florida is not strong enough to kill the COVID, so, and we're heading back to our bikes, and we probably pedal back to the RV. He's raising a ruckus. Somebody parked in his spot. A little bit steadier shot. Like, what are you looking at? Should have asked for a spot on Tiki Road. Man, like I said, there's 1,000 spots here, so it's quite a few RVs. These are nice, and these look new over here. So I think this was an expanded area. Concrete pads. It's kind of cool. Soft spot for the dog to lay on. Back there. lavender and plum. Oh, look at that. Airstream Class A. It's cool. I don't see those very often. 160 plus brand new RV sites with amenity upgrades. The concrete on the basketball court looks new. They have cabins you can rent also. We're back on Jewelfish Road, which wraps around the backside of the park and ends up where we are parked. We're in slot 195. So you don't need a bike trail. There's plenty of bike riding that can be done here in the park. Hello. Hey. It's a pretty coach right there. You like those colors? Me too. We didn't. Oh yeah. We didn't have a whole lot of choice in our colors when shopping for used. We couldn't exactly order what we wanted, but got a super good deal on ours, so not gonna complain about the color. There it is. Harvey and Dusty waiting for us. Yesterday when we got here, we were the third vehicle in the parking lot when we pulled in. And today there seems to be a line. I'm gonna go follow the line, see how far it goes. So Thousand Trails Boulevard is the street that you come in on. The guard shack entrance is right up here, and I see a line of people running down Thousand Trails Boulevard. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 10 people in line. Tammy and Austin waiting for me to get back. Okay. And right over there. Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Something else, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's the staging area where they escort you to your spot. or a spot of your choosing. They kind of, yesterday or when we got here, they let us kind of around, and then if we saw one we liked, we could honk, and they may be placing people today without a choice in the matter.